2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 13. And since we have the same spirit of faith, according to what is written, I believed and therefore I spoke. We also believe and therefore speak. Ang spirit of faith ay through speaking. Meron kang paniniwala. Pero yung paniniwala na yon, yung belief na yon, wag mong sarilinin. Speak it out. No? Kailangan mong ilabas sa bibig mo. Sabi dyan yung speak sa Greek word ay laleo, means to declare. Idideklara mo kung ano yung pananampalataya mo. What to declare? What you want to see in life, what you want to happen, and what is glorifying to God. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 21. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love it and indulge it will eat its fruit and bear the consequences of their words. Yung kamatayan at buhay ay nasaan? Nasa ating dila. Ano man yung sinasabi natin, may consequence yan. Kaya mamimili kayo, speak life or speak, wag nyo na yun piliin. Ano ang pipiliin natin? Speak life.